Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so excited for you all to be here today and to share this month's reader recipe with you all. It is baked macaroni and cheese, something everybody is gonna love. So let's go ahead and get started. The best thing about this baked macaroni and cheese is everything is going to be done in this pan. So the first thing that we need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, let that get warming up, and then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter to a large 13x9 dish. Everything that we're going to need to do is going to go in this dish, but first we're going to stick it in the oven and let the heat melt the butter. So I'm going to stick this in for about 5 minutes, let it melt, and then get the rest of the ingredients ready to go. I just got the pan out of the oven, the butter is all melted, and the next thing that we're gonna do is just basically add all the rest of the ingredients into the pan. We're gonna add 2.5 cups of elbow macaroni, dried, it's not been cooked yet, straight into there. And then we're gonna stir it around just a little bit to coat it with all of that butter. Next, we're gonna sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of salt right over the top, and then a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. Next is 4 cups of milk, straight into the pan. And I forgot that you were supposed to put the cheese in before, but that's okay. We'll just add it right in. We have a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I've added just a little bit extra into that. So we're gonna just spread it over top. You're supposed to add the cheese, mix it all together, and then pour the milk over top and not stir, but it'll be fine, it'll all bake together. That's the beauty of these kind of recipes, right? Nobody will know the difference. So after you've sprinkled the cheese in, just make sure that it's evenly distributed across the whole pan. Pour the milk in, don't stir it, and then we're gonna pop this back in the oven just as is, and it's gonna bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Okay, it's finally finished. The hour is up, the house smells amazing, and I can't wait to dig in. The cheese is hot and gooey and melty, just how I like it, and the elbow macaroni is cooked to perfect al dente. It's soaked up all that milk, and I love that this is such an easy recipe. All you do is just dump it all in this pan, pop it in the oven for an hour, and that's it. This is the perfect side dish to bring along to any potluck or barbecue that you have this summer. It will be great during the holidays, or it's just perfect on a weeknight because everyone loves and needs a little mac and cheese in their life. Okay, enough talking. It's taste test time. I've been waiting long enough. We're gonna dive in and give this a taste. Yum. The pasta's perfectly cooked. The cheese is wonderful. I know that you're gonna love this. For this recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. It's there along with many others that I know that you'll love. And until next time, I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.